Good morning, children. How are you? Are you safe at home? Okay, what we are discussing in previous classes? 7-digit numbers. Then how to read the 7-digit numbers. Indian and international number system. Arranging the numbers. Then Roman numerals. Up to 1000 we are studying. Okay. Then today we are discussing new block, adding and subtracting numbers. Are you like to add the numbers? Okay. One day I visit one big shop, big mall. Lot of toffees are there. Full of shelf, full of toffees are there. In one section, full of toffees are there. Then one shelf. First shelf, 23,450 toffees are. Just count it. And at counting time, first shelf, 23,450 toffees are there. Okay. In second shelf, one thousand 12,530 toffees are there. Second shelf, 12,530 toffees are there. Then I think it, how many total toffees are there? How we get? What operation we are using? The adding. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In second shelf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many digits are there? 5 digits. So today we are discussing addition of 5-digit numbers. Adding 5-digit number. Adding 5-digit number. Adding 5-digit number. Okay. From abacus, using abacus, how we add this? We will check it. Okay. This is your abacus. We are arranging the beads based on these numbers. Okay. Here, first number we are arranging first. 1's place 0. So, we are not need of putting 0 here. Beads here. And 10 place 2 beads. So, we are putting 2 beads here. Okay. 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Then 100 place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1000 place 3. 1, 2, 3. 10,000 place 2. 1, 2. Okay. We are arranging the numbers on the abacus. 1's place 0. There is no beads. 10's place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 place 3. 1, 2, 3. 10,000 place 2. Okay. Then we will arrange the next number on the abacus. 1's place 0. There is no need here. 10's place 3 beads we needed. So we are putting 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 100 place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1000 place 2. 2. And 10,000 place 1. 10,000 place is 1. Is listen? Then we will count each place how many beads are there. Here 1's place there is no numbers putting 0. 10's place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many beads? 8 beads are there. Then 100 place we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many beads? 9. Okay. Then 1000 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Then 10,000 place. 1, 2, 3. So what is the number here? 35,980. Then every time when we are visiting the shop, we are carrying the abacus? No. Then we want to check how to add this 5-digit numbers without abacus. Are you ready? Okay. The same number we will check it. I wrote the answer here. We'll check the same answer we will go. Okay. Then we have placed same method. We are using here abacus. We are writing here place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We are placing the numbers. We are placing the numbers in the place value chart. First number 0 in the place of ones, 5 in the place of tens, 4 in the place of 100, 3 in the place of 1000, 2 in the place of 10,000. Then second number we are arranging down. 0 in the place of ones, 3 in the place of 10, 5 in the place of 100, 2 in the place of 1000, 1 in the place of 10,000. We are adding these two numbers. So each place values we are adding. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3. After 5, 3 fingers we are taking. 6, 7, 8. 8. Then 4 plus 5. How we count? After 4, we are counting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 1. 2, 3. So what is the answer? 35,980. The same answer we got it. So we don't need the abacus. Without abacus, we know how to do the addition. Okay, we will do another problem. So how many chocolate in that shop? 35,980 chocolates are there. Okay. Then another problem. Add 73,459 and 73,459 and 82,182. 82,182. So what we do first? We are making a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Then we will arrange these numbers. Here this is the first number. In the ones place is 9. Second place 5. Fourth place, tens place is 5. Sorry. Ones place is 9. Tens place is 5. 100 place is 4, 1000 place is 3, 10,000 place is 7. Okay. Then second number we are arranging. 1's place is 2, second place is, sorry, 10's place is 8, 1000 place is 1, 10's place is 8, 100 place is 1, 1000 place is 2, 10,000 place is 8. So we are adding these two numbers. Okay, ready? 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. 11 we are writing here. In 11's 1 place digit we are writing the place here. Answer as an answer. We are adding 1 digit numbers, we will get 2 digit numbers. So in that case 2 digits, we are writing the 1's place number as an answer, 10's place number as a carry up. Okay. So here 1 is here, 1 is carry. Got it? Then 5 plus 8. After 8 we are taking 5 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 13. No. Here one carry is there. 13 plus 1, 4. 14. Okay. 13 plus 1, 14. 14, 1 we are writing here. Carry 1. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5. Here one carry is there. 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 8. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 we are writing here. There is no number. So putting 1 here. Okay. What is the answer? 1,55,641. Got it? Are you ready to do along the problem? Okay. Third problem. Add 75,621 and 15,600. 75,621 and 15,600. You do this problem. Okay, ready? Can you say the answer? How you arrange? This is the first number, 75,621. 1 in the place of ones, 2 in the place of tens, 6 in the place of 100, 5 in the place of 1,000, 7 in the place of 10,000. And second number, 0 in the place of 0, sorry, ones, 0 in the place of ones, next 0 in the place of tens, 6 in the place of 100, 5 in the place of 1,000, 1 in the place of 10,000. Okay, we are adding these two numbers. All are get the answer? Okay, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 6 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are writing 2 here, 1 is carry here. 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1 carry here, 11, 1 is carry. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the answer? 91,221. Got it? Okay. Now we are doing without abacus how we do the problems. Then here we are using place value chart. Without place value chart, how we do this problem? That we will check it. Add 63,741 and 11,451. 63,741 and 11,451. We'll check it how to do this problem without abacus and without place value chart. How we do the problem? Ready? We are writing this number same order: 6, 3, 7, 4, 1. Okay. Then next number we are arranging from the right side onwards, not from here. Okay. Here 1, the down of the right side first. Here right side first number we are writing the first numbers right side first. Second 5. Then 4. Then 1. Then 1. Okay. Here we are not drawing the place value chart. That only the missing here. Okay. And same way we are adding. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 5, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 is carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. What is the answer? 75,192. Okay. You think that why I told you to writing from the right side? Right side. Okay, I show one mistake. Now, this is 1,451. Okay. We are adding 63,741 and 1,451. Okay. We are writing from the left side. First number we are writing 41. Then from here we are starting 1,451. But this another way. I told you to from the right side we are writing. So 63,741 plus from the right side 1, then 5, then 4, then 1. You look the mistake, the difference between those two. Okay. 2, 9, 11, 5, 6. Here there is no number. 1, 5, 12, 8, 7. Both are same answer. Both are same answer? No. Which is correct here? This is correct. Okay. Don't forget second number you start from the right side. Okay. Now clear how to add the 5-digit numbers? We'll do one problem from your textbook. Find the missing digits. From here some digits are missing. You find out the digits. $23,546. Then it's blank. 5, 5. Okay, this is the number. How we get this number? After 6, which number we are adding to 6? We will get 8. We will check it. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers here? 2 fingers. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Then which number we are adding to 4? We will get 1. It's possible? No. So 1 means it's become 11 also. We'll check it. One number adding to 4 we will get 11. So that way we will check it. Okay. 4. Which number we are adding to 4 we will get 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. So 7. But 7 plus 4, 11. Here only 1 is there. So here we want to write 1 carry. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 also carry. 3 plus 5. What is that? 3 plus 5? 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then here, center is blank. So which number we are adding to 2? We will get 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fingers? 4 fingers. Okay. Here, this 3 places are blank and this 2 places are blank. So we want to find the missing digits. First place 6, answer is 8. Which number we are adding to 6? We will get 8, 7, 8. How many fingers? 2. We are writing here. Then which number we are adding to 4? We will get 1. It's possible? No. We are considering 11. Which number we are adding to 4? We will get 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 fingers. Then 4 plus 7 means 11. 1 is carry. 5 plus 5, 10. Here 1 carry is there. 11. Here also, you are writing 1 here, then 1 is carry. Then 3 plus 5, 8. Here carry 1. So 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Then there is no carry. 2 plus, here blank. Which number we are adding to 2? We will get 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4 fingers. Okay. Anyone have a doubt for this? Today we are discussing how to add 5-digit numbers with abacus, without abacus, and without abacus and place value chart. Anyone have doubt? Okay, thank you. We'll do more problem later.